In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a cell color when a checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a simple task list or a more complex project plan, this visual cue can help keep your information organized and easy to track at a glance. Let's dive in and make your spreadsheet both functional and visually appealing. First, you'll need to have your Google Sheet open and ready. If you don't already have a checkbox in your sheet, let's take care of that first. Start by selecting the cells in which you want the checkboxes to appear. This is crucial because Google Sheets will use these cells to insert the checkboxes. Once you've selected the desired cells, look to the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheets interface and find the Insert tab. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From there, navigate down and click on Checkbox. This action will instantly insert a checkbox into each of the selected cells, giving you a visual control mechanism for your data. Now that the checkboxes are in place, let's set the conditional formatting that will change the cell color when a checkbox is checked. Start by highlighting the cells that contain your checkboxes. With your checkbox range highlighted, head over to the Format menu on the top of your screen. Clicking Format will open another drop-down menu. From here, select Conditional Formatting. Upon selecting Conditional Formatting, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. You'll find various options under Format Rules. Here, you want to choose the rule named Custom Formula Is. This rule allows you to define your own conditions based on specific data inputs. In the field provided below Custom Formula Is, you'll enter your formula. A simple formula like Icho A1 true makes the most sense here, where A1 represents the first cell in your checkbox range. This formula will evaluate whether the checkbox in that cell is checked. After entering your formula, it's time to select a color that your cell will change to when the condition is met. In the sidebar, you'll see a Formatting Style section. Click on the Fill Color option, and it will display a palette of colors for you to choose from. Pick a color that stands out and is easily recognizable for your purpose. Once satisfied with your selection, click Done on the bottom of the Conditional Formatting sidebar to apply your changes. And there you have it. From now on, whenever you check a box in your selected range, the cell will change to the color you specified. This visual change can help make your Google Sheet more intuitive, allowing you to quickly assess the status of tasks or items in any workflow. With these steps completed, you're all set to manage your information in a more visually organized way.